Happy New Year! Welcome to 2019. I can't think of a better resolution than having a natural home. And at Simply Earth, we make it easy with our essential oil recipe box. And this January, we are starting with making our skin healthy naturally. Each box comes with 4 essential oils, 6 different recipes, plus the ingredients you need to make them, all to make making a natural home easy. Let's take a look at this month's box. Each month we give you what you need to make your home more natural. We've got 6 different recipes, labels for your recipes, and let's look at our oils. This month we have bergamot, which is originally from Bergamo, Italy. This oil is great for balancing out oily skin and smells great. It's actually used in a lot of men's products. In this box we also have myrrh essential oil. This is the same oil that the Magi gave to Jesus at his birth. And we're bringing it to the 21st century. This oil is great for cleaning your skin and is an antifungal. Also this month we have raven's-hair essential oil. This oil is not very well known, but it is great for respiratory problems and it can even help heal cold sores. Also this month we're sending farewell scarves to you. This blend is made up of lemon, lavender, eucalyptus, and other oils that are great for taking care of your skin, and it smells great. In this month's box you'll also be getting a soap mold for a massage bar you'll be making, lip balm tubes so you can take care of those chapped lips, and tapioca pearls, which if you've had boba tea, these are what's in that. And we're going to be using these to make your massage bar texture natural. Everything you see here is just $39. This is a great step in making your home more natural. I can't wait for you to try this box. One of my favorite things about Simply Earth is 13% of all our profits go towards ending human trafficking. January is Human Trafficking Awareness Month. So to help end human trafficking, subscribe to Simply Earth and we'll be donating 13% of this month's profits to an organization. Thanks and see you next time. Don't forget to start this year right with Simply Earth's Essential Oil Recipe Box.